Have you ever thought about harnessing the power of the sun to cook your meals? Imagine preparing a delicious barbecue on a sunny day without the need for electricity or gas. Today, we're going to explore the magic of solar energy and how you can build your very own solar oven. First, gather all the materials you need. These include 2 cardboard boxes of different sizes, aluminum foil, clear plastic wrap, black construction paper, a stick or a rod, and some glue. All these items are readily available in most homes, or a quick trip to the local store will suffice. Start by placing the smaller box inside the larger one. The gap between the 2 boxes will serve as an insulator, helping to trap the sun's heat. Fill this space with crumpled newspaper to further increase insulation. Next, take the aluminum foil and line the inside of the smaller box with it. The foil will reflect the sunlight and concentrate it onto the cooking area. Use glue to secure the foil, making sure it's smooth and flat. This is your oven's interior. Now, it's time to create the cooking surface. Cut a piece of black construction paper to fit the bottom of the smaller box. The color black absorbs all wavelengths of light and converts them into heat, making it an ideal choice for our solar oven. The next step involves creating a cover for our oven that can trap sunlight. Use the lid of the larger box for this. Cut a 3-sided flap on the top of the lid, leaving about an inch border from the edges. Fold this flap outwards to create an opening. Cover the opening with clear plastic wrap, securing it with glue. This will allow sunlight to enter the oven while preventing the heat from escaping. Finally, use a stick or a rod to prop open the flap. The angle of the flap will help reflect more sunlight into the box. Adjust this angle as needed to get the maximum sunlight. And there you have it, your very own solar oven, ready to harness the power of the sun. To summarize, building a solar oven involves these steps. Remember, the success of your solar oven depends on the intensity of sunlight. So, on a sunny day, place your oven in an area with direct sunlight. Adjust the flap as needed to get the most sunlight and watch as your oven heats up. With this solar oven, not only do you get to enjoy outdoor cooking, but you also contribute to saving the environment by using renewable energy. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the sun cook for you.